Maynila'y Letranista. Module 4. Depart from evil and do good. Seek peace and pursue it. Psalm 34, verse 14. My journey of understanding and realization has grown deeply through my baptism and the way I now share my faith with others. Baptism marked a moment of spiritual awakening for me, where I became more aware of God's presence and His purpose for my life. It helped me see my faith not just as belief, but as a commitment to grow, reflect, and live with intention. Sharing podcasts about faith together with my friends has strengthened this realization, as listening, discussing, and learning alongside them reminds me that spiritual growth is not meant to be done alone. Through these experiences, I've learned that understanding comes through openness, realization comes through faith, and both are nurtured when shared with a supportive community.